Hot and dry conditions across most of the West continue to fuel dozens of wildfires. All told, active fires have consumed more than 900,000 acres so far. CBS's Carter Evans reports the weather is now kicking up blinding dust storms in the Southwest.
In the desert Southwest, massive dust clouds created havoc. In Phoenix, visibility was near zero. Hundreds of flights were delayed. In Nevada's Black Rock Desert, this was the chaotic scene at the Burning Man Festival. Gusty and dusty winds of more than 40 miles per hour blowing down tents, all fueled by a monsoon storm that also sparked lightning.
My.
And soaking rain that flooded areas around Palm Springs. But much of the West remains parched. There are currently 51 large wildfires burning across the U.S., scorching nearly 1 million acres. In Central Oregon, thousands of homes remain threatened by the flat fire. Today, fire official Herb Zoutendijk took us inside the fire lines.
We have lost 4 structures compared to the 827 structures that were in the immediate threat of the flames that were saved is an amazing story.
And in California's Napa Valley, the picket fire has raged for 6 days, but it's now moving away from the vineyards and into rugged and isolated terrain.
Things are looking better for us.
Robert Foxworthy is with Cal Fire. He says finally getting a break in the weather means that instead of defending against a fire, they can go on the offense. When the fire's backing off a little bit, this is time when you guys scramble to cut a line around it.
Absolutely. This is where we're able to get those crews in right there on the edge of that fire and get those hot spots mopped up.
A couple of other factors working in their favor. There are more than 2,000 fire personnel on the ground here, so there are plenty of resources. And from what we've heard from residents and fire officials, people here have learned from previous fires and they've cleared brush and debris, and that has made a difference.